What's up, guys? Oneway G here, and this is my bike check. The Disney one? Oh, I look like a pimp. There's a 2019 Beastmode. All the parts are pretty much all original. I got the original rims. I mean, they were original until I powder coated everything. Tiffany blue is like my favorite color, so I just wanted to do the frame Tiffany blue. I gotta have it. I gotta have Tiffany blue. I mean, Tiffany blue is just my favorite color. My boy had a pair of Tiffany blue SBs when we were kids. And I used to see him wear them, and it was like the craziest color. Everybody just looked at it. And I just wanted something that popped. I wanted something that nobody had. People had pink, people had white, black. When are you going to see a Tiffany blue Beastmode? Shout out to SI Bike Shop. Chris did an amazing job on his bike. I never expected it to look like this. The color's phenomenal. I mean, exquisite. It cost a lot of money. A little bit too much. I think I went a little overboard. I mean, I paid $700 for the bike. I paid $400 for the powder coating, you know, the little pedals, cranks, all that stuff. Black Ops pegs, plastic pegs, so you don't destroy your shins. The tire stickers cost me $200. I got those for Never Ride Stock. Everybody knows that already. I mean, nobody has tire stickers on a bicycle. You see them on cars. I didn't even see them on motorcycles either. I just wanted to be different. I wanted something that nobody had. I'm about looking different. Original Beastmode tires. Got a SoCal seat. Tell by my sanded down clamp, you know. I don't even want to ride it because I'm scared to scratch it. This is definitely the easiest bike to no hand. It's definitely my preferred bike. The fat tires, I just feel like you could do so much more. It's so easy to balance on 3-inch wide tires than an inch wide tire. I mean, it's a total difference. Definitely shout out to SE Bikes. Shout out to Marshall Lynch, because this bike is made for him. So if it wasn't for him, we wouldn't have a Beastmode. I really wanted the Beastmode because of Jason. That's really the main reason why I wanted a Beastmode. I used to see how crazy this kid went on the 2018 that he had the gold one. And then I seen that he bought this one, and I was like, yo, you can't sell that bike to nobody. I was like, I need that bike. He wanted a monster card, so I bought this off him. And then I turned it into my own bike. But I needed a fat tire bike. I never really liked the skinny tires. I bend the rims too easily. We were bringing my bike to the bike shop to go get powder coated. And we were on our way there, and they were doing construction on the street. And there was a bunch of gravel on the street, and I wasn't paying attention. And I don't know what happened, but my front tire slid out. My bike slid out from underneath me, and I landed on my head and my shoulder. And then I jumped right back up. I mean, the construction workers helped me and everything, but I jumped right back up. And then instantly I felt my shoulder start to burn, and I was like, damn, this shit hurts. I was like, this hurts way too much. And then I looked at Jason, and then I stopped. I dropped my bike on the floor, and I had him look at my collarbone, and sure enough, I broke my collarbone in 3 separate pieces. Now I got a plate and like 10 screws in my shoulder. I mean, and we were bringing my bike there to get powder coated. It was so funny though. Like I was like, Jay, bring my bike back to your house, and he refused to, and he took it to the bike shop, and then it got powder coated, man. It was so funny though. Oh, it was miserable though. I was in the hospital for so long. Oh, it hurt so bad. It hurts right now because of the cold. I mean, they want me out for like another 6 weeks. I'm not allowed to do anything. Crazy. I'm losing all my combos, man. I'm combo G. Like, what are we gonna do here? I got Oneway Jason's combo bike. Are you kidding me? Oneway just the shit. You ain't Oneway, you ain't it. That's it. Point blank period. Oneway the fucking takeover. Definitely shout out to Oneway Corey. I can't thank Jason enough. He's the reason I'm in Oneway and the reason I ride bikes. We basically started this shit together. And we're gonna go up together. The boy right here is a real no-hand king. Nobody does no hands like me. I'll do that forever. You give me a long enough hill and I'll do the whole hill, no problem. That's my crown. No hand king. Hey, I got it on the hoodie too. I'll have to take a picture of that later. Talked about my bike. You guys seen it? You guys know what it costs? You know what it looks like? Now it's time to go ride. Nah, I'm not rolling my bike on the mud. I'm not rolling my bike on the mud.